Making money on Medium.com is possible through its partner program, which allows writers to earn revenue based on engagement. Here's how you can do it. Join the Medium Partner Program. To start earning, sign up for the Medium Partner Program. Ensure you meet eligibility requirements, such as having a Stripe account and living in a supported country. Publish quality content. Write engaging, high-quality articles. Focus on topics that resonate with your target audience. Use compelling titles and create value-driven content to attract readers. Optimize for engagement. Medium pays you based on reading time and interaction from Medium members. Share your stories widely to increase visibility and readership. Build a following. Engage with other writers and readers to grow your audience. Followers are more likely to read and interact with your stories. Earn referral bonuses. Promote Medium membership through your unique referral link. You earn 50% of the membership fee for each person who subscribes through your link. Stay consistent. Publish regularly to maintain and grow your readership, as consistent engagement is key to increasing earnings.